discussed about a Windows 10 earlier. Okay, so in the Windows 10, how to check system configuration, you already know. So in a part of operating system and some troubleshooting, we should know a few things. Okay, so these are the run commands or shortcuts to open certain things. Okay, just for knowing purpose, I'm giving this. Okay, so maybe it is useful in future. They may not ask in your interview. Okay, may not be. So I am not giving any guarantee like that. Somewhere. Okay, so look at this, guys. .msc means Microsoft Console. These are the run commands. Okay, so like you want to open a disk management, diskmgmt.msc. You want to open a computer management, just try in your system, so you will understand what it is kind of stuff. compmgmt.msc. If you want to go to event viewer, so you want to see what events are occur in your PC for a Windows logs and all, so you can go to event viewer. This is the direct. You want to go to service management, services.msc. You want a device management, like you want to manage your device drivers. That's the devmgmt.msc. You want to try local group policies, gpedit.msc. Guys, if you are a Windows 10 home edition or Windows 11 home editions, so home editions don't have any local group policies, so it won't work. Okay, this is also don't work in a home editions. lusrmgr.msc kind of stuff. And certain control panel items also there here. So one is for add or remove programs, add or remove programs, array programs and features kind of stuff. appwiz.cpl, it is a control panel items. To open a control panels in run, type control. For network connections or network adapter, ncpa.cpl. For firewall, so it is firewall.cpl. So these are the some run commands I am telling. Of course, there is so many run commands also there, including command prompt cmd. Okay, command prompt cmd, like cmd. Okay, Dxdiag, Taskmgr for task manager, Mscinfo32, Msconfig. Okay, these are some commands. There's so many are there. Mstsc, this is for a remote desktop. Want to open remote desktop, Mstsc. This is for task manager. This is remaining, you know. Okay. These are the sum list. One second, guys. Just one second. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a registry part, guys. This is also one of the important in the our operating system, mainly in Windows 10. Okay, so point is in Windows 10 or Windows operating system. What is not only only not operating system, it is Windows based operating systems. One of the thing is registry. So one of the important is to manage and troubleshoot. Okay, one of the important thing is registry. To open the registry, we need a command called regedit. Registry.msc, regedit.msc. Okay, yeah. So we got one more place here, that is regedit. Regedit is also one part of our Windows operating system. This is a command. Okay, regedit. Registry editor. Regedit is a registry. Registry editor. What is registry? Registry contains information of entire system. Means your hardware information, operating system information, application information, users, user settings, entire information. It controls the function of your system. It controls the function of your system. Okay, how a system should work. Applications. Short. You open an application. How it should be open. Okay, where is application? Location of application files. Location of application files. You open a. This is .pdf. You open a PDF file. Which application should open the .pdf file? Okay, so guys, again, okay, so again, once again, I'm telling, sorry, speaking very loudly. Okay, so I install an application. The application information go to registry. So I will show how registry will open. Go to run regedit registry editor, or you can go to search also, no problem. Regedit registry editor. Okay, these are the registry editors. It is the root class. Class root contains all your shortcuts. Means extensions .txt, .pdf, .doc, .mp3, .mp4. If you open that kind of files, what is their default application? What is their default application? That information in class root. Local machine. Okay, next one is local machine. If you go to the software part, see all your application, what are the application you installed, that related information stores in this one. Specifically, just for example, I am telling about a Oracle. See, this is my Oracle application. This is Oracle application. So Oracle related applications, what I installed in this PC is, one is Oracle database, another is Oracle virtual box. So two application from same Oracle organization. So under Oracle, I have two applications here. It is showing. So this is for a Oracle database 21.2. Okay. And this is a virtual box application. So what it is telling, installation directory, where is this VirtualBox application is located in my program files. So here it is. This is my Oracle database. I installed directory is not showing here, but I installed in this location Z drive app username product 21C. Instead of my C drive, I installed in a Z drive. So it will telling where is your application. See guys, when you open an application, registry will tell you, if you open this application, registry will tell you where is this application is located. Second one, so what version of that application, that application information it stores. Second one is when you open a, just only 2 points I'm telling. If you open a file, it's still like a .pdf, .txt. So if you open this file, so where is this? Okay, so how to open? It is open with a notepad. Why it is not open with any other application? Because by default, the application, the .txt is mentioned with which application should be open. .txt file should be open with a notepad. That is mentioned. So as per that, registry will help you to locate where what is the application and where is an application also. That is a registry is a very powerful part. Okay. Okay, this is the registry. So how to open a registry and how to see the registry. If you want, I will add these things. No, I'm adding this one. You want or not, I don't mind. Okay. To open a registry, so you have to go to run regedit or go to search and type regedit. So you can try guys, don't change anything. If you change anything, it need a restart. Okay, if you change anything, it need a restart. That is enough. Guys, here it is. I'm giving a scenario. Okay, so this scenario is simple troubleshooting thing. It is a simple troubleshooting thing is I showed Oracle, right? So that is Oracle 21C I installed. Oracle 21C application I installed. While installation, it is interrupted and failed. While installation, it got interrupted and failed installation. Now I'm trying to install it again. Okay, it is failed. What I do and try to install it again. Step by step, try to understand steps. Okay, so first step is I try to install Oracle 21C application. Application installation failed. Second, I try to install it again. Now it is throwing an error. Application is already installed. Application is already installed. So you cannot install again. Application is already there. Now I got a doubt that is application is not properly installed. Otherwise I try to open it, it is not working. I try to open it, it's not working. I try to install it again, it's not installing. Then I deleted files in the location. So where is my files are located? In my Z drive, right? In my Z drive, this is the location of application. So see, this is the all these files, including this main folder. I deleted. I deleted and try again. I deleted and try again. Still, it is not installing. So what is the problem, guys? In registry editor, in the registry editor, my application is there. Okay, I went to the registry editor. I find the Oracle 21C entries. Okay, where is the Oracle 21C entries? I deleted the entries and I restarted my PC. Okay, so I went to registry editor, find a Oracle 21C related entries. Okay, so I went to registry editor, so then find a where is this Oracle 21C, then I deleted and I restarted my PC. So this is the location of my Oracle application. I deleted this entire part. Okay, this is in the registry editor. So I'll go to local machine under software Oracle. I find this, I deleted it and I restarted my PC. Okay, after restart, I try to install it again. Now it is working. Okay, so point is, guys, it is not always recommended to try this one, but important is registry editor. Okay, so based on your registry editor, your system functions. Trojans, malwares, spywares actually attacks links to this registry, because registry controls your entire system. Entire system is controlled by your registry only. Okay, that is the registry editor. Just understand what is registry?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So second one is services. Another important in our Windows system. Not only Windows 10, guys, it is also important. So any Windows system, registry and Windows. You can tell local group policies, but local group policies are not exactly what we can say. Not available in home editions, local group policies. That's why I don't go to that point. Okay. So to open these services, guys, services. Okay, what is this? These services are belongs to operating system, applications, and certain services and hardware. Also, hardware related services, application related services, operating system services, certain services like a DHCP related services. Those are things are there. So these service types already we have seen the service types. Okay, already I showed this service type, and that too Oracle service. I've showed that example. Look at here, guys. Some services are in automatic, some are in manual, some are disabled. What is meaning of service in automatic mode? Service is in automatic mode means when system starts or booted or login, whatever the name it is, the service will start automatically. Okay. For example, this is the Oracle service Excel. If it is in automatic mode, so when I start my PC, this Oracle database application will run automatically in my PC. I'm not using immediately. I will use it. Maybe tomorrow I will use it. Maybe today evening I will use it. I'm not using right now. But why should it start automatically? So what I have done, I change it to manual. I stop the service and I change it to manual. Manual means either user will start the service manually or by opening related application or by certain triggers. One of the trigger is disabled. Some services we can kept in disabled. Disabled services never start. Disabled services never starts. Okay, so these are the few points I want to tell. That's it. Services are belongs to application, operating system, and certain services. I have not given that one, like a DHCP services, DNS services, Windows update services. How to open services? Sorry. Services. Yeah, my services.msc. Okay, different services. I'm going to Windows. See, Windows backup related services. Windows update services. You're getting updated. Windows updated. You're getting time. Okay, so it will synchronize the time. Okay, time related services. Such related services. Okay. DHCP client related services. Okay, yeah, the Oracle software has different process to install software in different operating systems. Yeah, this I downloaded a Oracle 21C Express edition. Just I installed it. Okay, in Linux it is different way. Steps are same. Starting is different. Ending is different. That's the only one thing. Okay. It is a database software. It's not Oracle is an organization. Oracle database is different product. Oracle product. Where I am located. Yeah. I mean here, guys. See, I am going to show you the DHCP services. DHCP client. If this service is not running, for example, okay, you disable it. You go to properties, you change it to disable, and you stop the services. That's it. You know, tomorrow you start your computer, you won't get IP address. If this service is not running, your PC is not trying to get IP address from server. DHCP client not working, your PC won't try to get a IP address from DHCP server. This is DNS client. Okay, you open a web page, some web page you open, you don't know IP address, then this your DNS won't work. Okay, so like this, guys, these services are belong to applications or operating system related or your system related services, or maybe hardware related, like audio related, video related, drivers related, certain drivers related, certain features related services are there. Okay, so what I have done, so I didn't written here, but what I have done, I change into manual. This is about startups. Okay, enable and disabling startups already I told. So I am going to write one thing. It is I choose not to start until DB service. Okay, and startup at start automatically. So in services,
ईदी निकाली शायद
okay, so double click on Oracle. service exe because mine is express edition. Change service type manual by okay. So next time it won't start. Okay, next time it won't start. Okay, you can stop services. You can choose stop to not. If you required to run service, then you can stop to not run service. Okay, simple. Just giving one example, general example to understand, guys, when we use this kind of stuff. Okay, start and stop. Other option is the restart. Restart to service. One more option is restart is there. In generally, right click and restart. Right click and restart usually. If you got a service related problem, application related problem, service related problem is there, you can restart it. It will stop and start again. Okay, so these are the things. Already I told about startups. Okay, and the next one is how to improve your system speed and application related issue, BSOD related issue. Okay, so two things I told in a part of how to improve your system. That is, I will tell few points. It's not completing. Very big one. Because hardware related issues we cannot understand. We can understand one or two, but we can't troubleshoot. Operating system related issues can able to do certain things. Guys, there is a 2 points. One is to improve your system speed, what to do. My system is very slow, what to do. Understand two questions. And already told booting time is taken, system is slow, what to do. These are the two important questions. Try to understand what we can able to do it, guys. So I'm telling one by one. So delete unnecessary data in a C drive. Look at my C drive. My C drive is showing a red in color. Can you see? Red color means it is more than 80% of data is filled in my C drive. If you have any unnecessary data, so I will try to show you that one. Usually in the downloads, I have a lot of data. It is all your meeting data only. Okay, so I'm showing this practically. That's why I didn't delete it. Can you see 14.5 GB available out of 218 GB is there. So go to properties. So it is 14.5 GB free space. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm going to delete this direct unnecessary data from here. Maybe not here, from here. So I will delete the new latest data, which is I have done in this January. Okay, so it is almost like a 3.62 GB. I'm deleting 19 files. I'm deleting. Okay, just shift to delete. Shift to delete means it not go to your recycler bin also. Shift to delete. Okay, shift 19 delete items. But when you do shift to delete, make sure what you are selected. Okay, so it is how much data I deleted. So see refresh. I got a 18.1 GB free space. So earlier 14 GB only. Now I got a 18 GB free space. Yeah, permanent delete, not in the list. And of course I have some more data, so I'm also try to delete this thing. Control, yeah. So this is 22 items, 4.12 GB data. I'm doing shift delete. These are recorded download videos. Okay, so actually yesterday's I don't delete, but it is still normal. There's a no so many unnecessary data is there. Okay, so I downloaded, but still it is there. Whether I use or not, this is not required. Who is watching these movies also? No. Okay, so see it comes to blue color. Now 22.2 GB data. So if you delete unnecessary files, so more space is there. More space also will give you little bit faster system. That is first point. Second point, disk cleanup, disk defragmentation, error checking. These three options I will show you guys. One is like a go to your C drive, right click, properties. A lot of people use CC cleaners, or wantedly they go to percentage, temp files, prefetch files. Okay, that is also good thing, but instead of that one you can do very simple way. Go to your C drive, right click, properties, disk cleanup. You can see this one, disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup. So it will verify what is the data in your temporary data, unnecessary data is there. You can see it is, you have a temporary internet files, downloaded files, okay, thumbnails, temporary files, recyclable bin files, like these are all there. Okay, if in case you just deleted it, not permanent delete, what happened? Data in the recycler bin only. Okay, next one is guys, clean up system files. Clean up system files. It is showing totally 132, but if you go to clean up system files, means recently got updated. Your system is got updated. Your system downloaded files are there for updating. Okay, those are in your system only. It may deleted in future. Okay, after 10 days it will be deleted automatically, but till the time, means yesterday it is updated, so next 10 days it will be there in your PC. If you want to clean up that data also along with your temporary thumbnails, recycler bins, you want to delete all the updated files, means system updated files, drivers package files, then you can do it. See, it is my Windows update cleanup is 2.2 GB alone. As if you add it, see my total files are 2.47. Okay, this is update cleanup. Okay, so these are the things you can choose. Very simple, like a click OK, it will automatically clean up. Got more options, program shadow copies also there. Okay, I'm not doing, it will take time. Okay, next one is, this is a disk cleanup. Next one is tools. Go to tools, error checking. This error checking will give you file system errors. If you click on check, so it will scan your drive and find out what are the file system errors. The file system error also causes slow down your PC, errors in your operating system. So you can click on a files check disk. What is error checking? Check means it will check disk. chk dsk command. You can use chk dsk command. mrt, I don't know that command. I never used it. This mrt command. I didn't know what has happened to my PC also. Okay, Microsoft malicious software removal tool. Okay, click on yes. What happened? Okay, so then yeah, okay, it is asking some. This is for malicious softwares from your computer. Anything wrong is there, you can try. Recent YouTube kind of stuff. No problem. You can try also, no problem. It's a Microsoft default tools. Second one is defragmentation, guys. What is defragmentation? In a hard disk, you put a lot of data, right? So you put a data in the hard disk, okay, and you read the data. You will you have a data. You will read the data, and you copy the data. You replace the data. Modification of data in hard disk. There is a small um, fragments will happen in the data on the disk. Data fragments means pieces. These small fragments will causes system slow reading, system slow reading. Okay, system will be get a slow reading and more space occupation, more space occupation. So click on optimize. This as per the schedule, it will be optimized automatically. So now let's check. Generally, select your drive, analyze, find out how many fragments are created, and optimize. Okay, so this is a defragmentation. So first three things I told, right? 4 points I completed. One is disk cleanup, defragmentation, error checking, and another one is delete unnecessary data in the C drive or transfer into external hard disk if it is necessary. Uninstall the applications. Go to your control panel or appwiz.cpl. You can use a shortcut directly, appwiz.cpl. Go to your control panel. Okay, in the control panel, you can find different applications are there. So you can uninstall unnecessary applications. Why it is not open? It is open, it is open. Not. This is the control panel, guys. 2 times it is open. Okay, so then this is the programs and features. These are the uninstallation purpose. So this option, view installed updates. This is a recent updates. You can see you got a problem with the recent updates. You can uninstall the recent updates also. And these are the your applications. If you're no longer using any application or an application is occupying more space or you are getting a problem with an application, you can simply uninstall. Select an application. Okay, so this is some and delete, uninstall. Okay, simply go to this application and uninstall. That is the first thing. Uninstall applications if it is no longer required or you getting a problem with that application. If it is a heavy applications, you know, in my laptop I have a lot of applications. I deleted a lot of things. Okay. Still so many are there. Disable startup. You already know how to disable startup. Go to task manager, startups, select your startup, right click, disable. Okay. Next, close applications if you are not using now. Okay, so currently you are using a certain application and it is running in your PC, better to close it. For example, this is your attendance part. I'm not using this one, better to close it. And close the tabs if you are not using. So if these tabs are not using now, so what I do, better to close the tabs. So it is also improves your system consumption. Okay, close the browsing tabs, close applications if you are not using. And do not use more than one antivirus. Trust only one antivirus, guys. Use one antivirus. Whatever the antivirus you want to use it, you can use it, but don't use more than one. Means two antivirus is much stronger, but it is slow down your PC like a hell. Okay, So you cannot move a mouse if you are using two antiviruses if they fight each other. Okay, so use a proper antivirus. Any antivirus is good. My favorite is one Malwarebytes. This is my favorite. Okay, Malwarebytes. Now recently it has got some problem, of course. So okay, so you can use Kaspersky, not 32. Any antivirus is good. Important is make sure it is working. Do not use more than one antivirus. If you have already one antivirus, if you want to go another one, uninstall the first one and then install the second one. These are the points. Of course, in this PPT I have some screenshots also. You can try to do it. Okay. Because last point I will tell, that is, if in case application is not working, what to do? Application is not working. Go to your programs and features. For example, this application is not working. Go to change. Okay. In the change, if you may get a repair option, so then you can go to repair optionals. You want to modify certain features, like you want to add or remove certain features, you can select modify. Or you want to repair application, your application is not working, you can choose repair application. Still repair application is also not working, then you can choose uninstall. Uninstall an application. Sometimes you won't get a uninstall option, so you will get a change option, sometimes you will get a repair option sometimes. Okay, sometimes you won't get anything, just uninstall only. If you click on uninstall to uninstall an application, you can completely uninstall an application. Okay, this is getting repaired. See, this is not getting repaired, it's only getting uninstall. So uninstall an application, restart your PC and install the application again. Okay, this is a Microsoft Office issue. So I got a Microsoft Office issue. So I select this application and click on change. Then got a quick repair and online repair. Select online repair and repair. It take a 5 to 10 minutes time, but it may repair your application. Okay, guys, this is how you can able to troubleshoot. Okay, so it's already 1:20. Guys, if possible, tomorrow I will tell about a BSOD. Remember what I told today. So BSOD is safe mode, system restoration also there. If possible, I will tell. Otherwise, I will go to services. Okay, so we'll see that one. This is it about some troubleshooting things, services and registries, boot processing, issues at boot processing. Okay, how to speed up your PC. Okay, those kind of stuff. How to repair your application not working, then what to do. What happened is control Z, selected a text, instead of that one it got one picture. If application is not working, what to do? Installation is always not a first choice. Try to repair or change option, add or remove app features. Try to do reinstall. Okay, if you are uninstalling, guys, and restart a PC, guys, always try to remember restart a PC. Start PC, then try to install again if you required. Okay, app is not working, guys. App is not working different, app feature is not working different, so check that one. Okay, that's it for today. Any doubts or anything?
No, sir.
Very good.